Hello and welcome to this edition of Goa 365's Face to Face. With me is Dr. Dhananjay Lad. He is from the Chrome Clinical Research Center and they are doing testing of the Covaxin, which is a collaboration between Bharat Biotech and ICMR. Welcome, Doctor, to our show. Doctor, I would like to start off directly telling us, because you all have started the phase 3 clinical trials in Goa, among other states, of course. I think a total of 21 states you all are doing, including Goa. So I would like you to give us a status of the testing and in Goa.
So, based upon the extreme safety and efficacy in the last phase 1 and phase 2, DCGI gave us permission to conduct this phase 3 study in large populations to check safety and efficacy of the large population as well as batch to batch consistency. So we started now in Goa, and as of now we we enroll 250 subjects in 1 week. Our target is 1000 subjects in 1 month. So we are in the right track. That whatever the timeline given by ICMR and Bharat Biotech to us, considering this severe pandemic. So within 1 week we enroll 250 subjects in Goa, and in next 3 weeks we will finish 1000 subjects, and we will ask 500 more subjects permission from the ICMR. So our target is 1500 subjects in the Goa in 1.5 months.
Now, what exactly do you hope to achieve in this phase 3? I want to know this specifically first, then we can go into the other details. But what do you want to achieve now in phase 3?
Yeah, generally in phase 1 and phase 2, we already checked the safety and efficacy, and this vaccine is working very well. So there are some batches with the government, means the vaccine is already manufactured, some doses. So even we are checking the batch to batch consistency in this phase. Okay. We don't have time after to get the license, and then we have to manufacture. Further we have to wait. So simultaneously batches are ready, and so we are checking lot to lot consistency also here. In this phase 3, we are doing 42 days immunogenicity data, and our target is 25,500 subjects, where interim analysis will be done once 130 subjects will be the positive in the study. Means
so,
we are using one group as a placebo group. Means we are not giving antigens to all volunteers who enroll in our study. So once we achieve 130 positive cases in our 25,500, then that will be the interim analysis, where we will open the data and we will check either in which arm these positive cases are, either it in our test arm or placebo arm. Suppose all 130 subjects are on the positive subject on that placebo arm, then it means our vaccine is working 100%. If 10 cases are noted in the positive in the test arm, and rest 120 or 110 subjects in the placebo arm, it means our vaccine is working as 90%. Like that, to reduce the time, we are doing this interim analysis of the 130 subjects.
Now, you have said that already in phase 1 and phase 2, the safety and efficacy of the vaccine has been tested. Could you give us some more details of that? And I think that phase 1 and phase 2 is over.
No, it's not over. It's already continued. Only based upon the 42 data, immunogenicity data, means once we injected the first subject in the phase 1 or phase 2, we have to do the booster dose also after 28 days. And after that 14 days, total from the first vaccinations, after 42 days, we are testing the immunogenicity. Either this particular subject is immune, and based upon that, 42 days data, DCGI gave us permission to conduct a further phase.
Okay. Now the safety of this vaccine in phase 1 and 2 you all have checked. So what are the results are positive? That is the reason why you all have been allowed to go further, or any
Yes. Based upon phase 1 and phase 2 extreme safety and efficacy data,
Okay.
DCGI gave us a permission to conduct this phase 3.
Okay. Now that this present status, we have got a general idea. Now, doctor, I would like you to give us some details about your vaccine and what exactly it is, how it's supposed to work, and how generally, and about like Bharat Biotech and ICMR, the whole.
ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, the branch NIV, National Institute of Virology, provides the strains to the Bharat Biotech.
Okay.
These strains of the coronavirus provided by our government to the Bharat Biotech. These
Okay.
are dead viruses. This whole virion dead viruses actually, and Bharat Biotech manufacturing these doses.
Okay.
So jointly they conducted some studies in preclinical trial, animal trials. Then the data was safe. Then they got permission for phase 1, then phase 2, and now we are in the phase 3. So in this vaccine, we are injecting dead virus to the subjects,
Okay.
and in the first dose we are giving small dose like 3 mg like that, and
Okay.
after 20 days there is a booster dose where we are giving the double dose,
Okay.
and after the booster dose, post booster dose 14 days,
Okay.
the subject will be the immune, and that immunity will be step till 12 months.
How now, for example, suppose if you are giving first dose dead virus, second dose, now suppose if the person who's been given the vaccine, will he not be infected, will he not be able to pass on the infection to others?
No, because now these are dead viruses. It's not attenuated or live. They
Okay,
are
okay, okay.
totally dead. They will not affect your body. You will not be positive. They
Okay,
are
okay.
totally dead.
Okay.
So you will be not infected. Only we are injecting the antigen, dead virus. So our body will be response as of antibodies.
Okay,
That
the
will
T
be fight
cells.
against with the that is antibody IgG.
Okay, okay.
That will be fight against the future infection.
So basically, after these one this and after booster dose, theoretically and according to tests and God willing, so then the immunity will be like just like any other vaccine. You have a vaccine and then you're immune for a year, right? Yeah. So now, how do you all plan on once this third phase is over? How do you all plan on going out? Because there are almost 40,000-50,000 cases every day infection. What any planning is done how to go forward and how to move on from this present?
There are 1 year visits in this phase 3, but we
Okay.
will not wait for all 1 year.
Okay.
We will do the interim analysis,
Okay.
as I told you, in the 130 positive cases, and based upon the 42 days immunogenicity data and this analysis of the interim analysis or data safety monitoring board, ICMR might be asked DCGI to give us permission.
Okay.
It's like
So-
emergency situation.
Okay.
But this trial will be going on. In between, you can say in 1 month we will finish over 25,500 subjects. After
All
that, we
India.
have to wait for 42 days.
All India.
All India, yeah, we're talking about all India scenario.
Okay. Okay.
We'll require at least 1 more month to
Okay.
finish with 25,500. Now
Okay,
we
okay.
crossed 2,000 subjects in all over India.
Okay.
11 sites out of 21 sites, 11 sites till yesterday activated.
Okay.
Okay, and 2,000 subjects enrolled
Okay.
in the last week, in which
Okay.
we enroll 250 subjects. So we need one more month to finish all 25,500 subjects. After that, we have to wait for 42 days.
42
to check
days.
42 days.
Okay. Okay.
Please. Okay, today we are giving one injection, then 28 days, and after 28 days we need 14 days. Means total 14 days, 42 days.
So 20. Okay. Okay. For the booster as well as the immune.
Yeah.
Okay.
42 days means this 42 days and this 1 month. So you can say
Okay.
maximum in 3 months. After 3 months, we need to apply to the DCGI again based
Okay.
upon this immunogenicity,
Okay.
whatever in our hand. And
Okay.
might be the government, DCGI, Drug Control General of India, which is the
Okay.
topmost authority to give the
Yes.
license
Correct.
to market.
Hmm.
Okay. Once they give the permission, doses already in with our setup. Means already
Okay.
doses form
Manufacturing is being on. Yeah.
the license to market it.
Okay, okay. Now, but how do you all have any plan how you all will go about it? Because there are some 7-8 states which are like very high, including some of your 21 this like Maharashtra, Delhi and all, which are, so you all have any sort of a plan? Because India has a lot of people, large number of people, and there's so many frontline comorbidity above 60. So your any plan how to go about it?
Yeah, the primary plan is we will cover first vulnerable populations, means senior citizens, police force, then frontline worker, healthcare workers.
Hmm.
So it is not possible in this year that the common man will be get this vaccine from government, because first we will cover the high risk subjects, high risk people,
Okay.
like a senior citizen, some symptomatic cases, then
Okay.
our healthcare workers.
Okay. Who are on the front line all the time?
Yes.
Okay. So that is you're talking about after 42 days.
After 42 days, means after 3 months from today.
3 months from today, correct. Absolutely, yeah. So that will be how many? That's a lot of people. I don't know, 100 million, so many crores, 10 crores, 15 crores. So that type of manufacturing facility is available, plus cold storage. It means cold ranges are needed, cold infrastructure needed.
Yes. Actually, sir, we are using dead viruses. So
Hmm.
our vaccine is a 2 to 8 degree. Means as in
Like
normal
normal
fridge.
fridge. Okay.
And what you are talking about the cold chain is for the other vaccines like Covishield or Moderna or Pfizer vaccines,
Okay.
where we need more than -70.
Which is not
Our
possible in
Swadeshi
India, I
vaccine,
think.
Atmanirbhar vaccine is in the normal temperature. So cold chain is not an issue for our Swadeshi vaccine.
Okay.
Normal temperature, 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, normal fridge.
But how long can it last? What is the time? How long? 1 month, 2 months? Can it be stored?
Any vaccine you can say 6 months or 1 year, depending upon their expiry date.
Okay.
The storage
But no,
is 2 to 8 degrees means our normal fridge.
for it can be stored there for about between 6 months to a year.
Yeah,
This
of course. Yes.
then
yes.
then
But
it won't.
in the Covishield or other vaccines, no,
Okay.
because they made the suitcase where they can preserve 1,000 or 5,000 vaccines, and
Okay.
in 12 days we have to use that suitcase.
You have to finish it off. Okay.
Yeah.
But will that vaccine
Means
also
12
come?
days have validity.
Yeah. Will those vaccines also come into India? They're quicker because now I don't know. US says that it's going to start vaccination by the 12th of December. Will those vaccines also come to India?
You are apart from India, they need to
Okay.
take the permission from US FDA.
Yes.
And it's a decision of the US FDA. It's not our public decision. There
Correct.
is a regulatory authority, US FDA. They will give the permissions, and then it's possible.
So suppose
So
if
you
the
could do
US
that.
FDA gives permission.
But we can't predict any date actually.
No, but there's supposed to be a meeting on the 11th of December from what we hear of the US FDA. So suppose if the permission is given, then will it be possible to get the vaccines in India also?
No.
Expensive?
See, no. If the US FDA give the permission to market this vaccine in US,
Okay.
and US company, pharma company, Pfizer company wants to send these vaccines to India, again we have to do some clinical trial to
Okay,
check
okay.
efficacy on the Indian patients.
Okay. So
Like
the time
Sputnik,
lag.
I am involved in the Sputnik also. We are
Okay.
doing the Sputnik studies also with Reddy, where
Okay.
we are testing 1,800 subjects, Indian subjects.
Okay.
Now that vaccine is the permission is pending from Kasauli, the quality control from the Himachal. Once we
Okay.
get that permission, then we will start. Means the Sputnik is from Russia.
Correct.
They will launch over there, but they will not launch based upon that data, Russian data.
Okay.
We are again doing the clinical trials on 1,800 subjects for Sputnik. We are
Okay,
doing
so
that.
what-
We are conducting the study.
So what is their their timeline also is going to be around same like Covaxin, or it will be take less time or more time?
No. 1,800 subjects for 6 months, but based upon 42 days, we will get the permission.
Emergency
42 days.
for emergency vaccination.
Yes. In anyhow, in first quarter there is no possibility to any vaccine in the market.
So up till March there is no possibility for any vaccine. That's what you're
No.
saying. Okay. But that is for the common people. But for frontline workers and all, chances are there.
Even
Police.
for frontline worker or vulnerable population, you can expect from after April, May.
Oh. Okay.
It's a fact, sir.
Yeah. It's not possible because the time, obviously time.
People are becoming panic, so there are some news actually in the next week. It's like lockdown. 3 months, like that.
Yeah. But doctor, now going a little off the total medical thing. Now we've been just following up on so many of these surveys and things which are happening all over the country. Now, okay, we journalists and say medical professionals, we have no choice. We have to be on the field. So that's besides. But a general population, the general people, office goers, more than 80% of them do not want to go back to office up till the vaccine is there. You are aware of this? That people are generally scared.
But actually, herd immunity is a very important factor in this pandemic.
But that's 25%. 25% herd immunity. No?
Yeah. Means in the Goa or in Maharashtra, 35% people are affected. Means they don't know even they are the positive in the past.
Okay.
So if we get the 60% herd immunity, then this pandemic will be over without vaccine. So actually, anyhow, you can expect after next Diwali, Corona will be not there. By herd immunity or your vaccine.
Yeah, but you are being very optimistic. I don't know.
2 months back, I did one serologic survey in Kolhapur district without taking some financial help from district administration, where we tested 1,192 subjects and we got 18% positive. Means considering the 40 to 45 lakh population of Kolhapur, 18% means 7.5 lakh people affected, and that time the government declared as like 37,000 subjects positive. Means government one subject we are notifying to the government, and 20 people are spreading the infection. This is the story actually.
So that means people have got infected and they become alright and nobody even knew about it.
Even we are starting the serological survey in the Goa also. In next week we are launching it. Actually, I had taken permission from ICMR also, and in next week I will give the result. Actually, how many people are affected in the Goa? 30%.
The percentage is
financial help from the government.
Okay.
Our submitted this proposal, notified this proposal to our honorable health minister last month, and now we got all permissions from ICMR also, and we will start from next month also.
What you feel will be the percentage?
As per our analysis, we can say 22 to 25% in the Goa.
That means 22 to 22% of 15 lakhs. That's almost 4.5-5 lakhs.
Yeah, of course, yes.
But mostly asymptomatic. You feel?
Of course, 95% are asymptomatic.
Which is now, doctor, you're really scaring me because we move around and we meet people.
We are not scaring. I'm telling you, this much people are affected and they are already cured.
Yeah.
They are already affected and they have antibodies.
Correct.
In serologic survey, we are taking the blood and we are testing the antibodies against the corona. If the antibody positive means these people affected in past.
Correct. Sometime in the past, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. But see, now in Goa, with the amount of tourists and all are coming, but a lot of tourists have come for Diwali and all, but the testing rates have gone up, but the positive rates have not really gone up so much, compared to, hopefully they will not.
Because only now we are doing the symptomatic cases. The testing we are doing only symptomatic.
Okay,
And
okay, okay.
people are not going to do the RT-PCR test. They are
Yeah,
doing
they're going
the
for antigen.
HRCT.
HRCT, which is, yeah, which is like
Because
50-50.
once you give the swab,
Hmm.
your name and all is registered to the ICMR. You will easily
Correct.
caught positive. So people are not going for the RT-PCR, even
Correct,
though they
correct,
are
correct.
subject to the HRCT, so that you are getting the less number of cases.
Cases. But possibly, is it possible also that because of our lifestyle, that our immunity of the Indian population is higher than possibly in Europe or something?
Because this the main factor is the BCG. We taken the BCG in past.
Yeah, everybody, yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
even death rate is also very less in the our India, and
Hmm.
we conducted one study, recombinant BCG with the Serum Institute,
Hmm.
where 6,000 subjects we randomized, and DSMB also reports is ready with us. So very
Okay.
fantastic vaccine, RBCG, recombinant BCG.
Correct.
My company Chrome randomized 850 subjects, and
Okay.
in there are very less cases who were vaccinated RBCG, and this is so our India showing the less death rate and less cases as compared to other countries.
Mostly
Because of
death rate is less compared to other countries.
because we are already immune with the BCG.
All of us have got BCG compulsory, no? Everybody.
Yes. So death
Correct.
rate is a very less.
But
in
what
India.
about people with comorbidities like say diabetes or hypertension and all those type of cases you all are testing also?
Yes. COVAX in this phase 3 we are taking 18 plus subjects. I mean even 80 years old subjects can also participate with comorbidities. But it
Okay.
should be stable and
Stable means?
no past history of 3 months admission.
Admission where? To hospital?
The last 3 months.
Okay. That is a
We don't such cases who are not admitted to last 3 months in the any hospital for any treatment.
okay,
With
okay.
comorbidity, we can accept the cases like 80 years, even 84 years old we vaccinated in 2-3 days back.
Okay. So how do
If we not vaccinated now, then how we will launch this vaccine to this comorbid people? So we are covering all type of sample size in phase 3.
means sample size, when you mean all types of sample size, that means people with all types of disease,
Not even 80 years, 90 years, 85 years.
older
whatever.
people and all that.
Yeah.
But children, there is no need much of.
We are not taking children now.
You don't need to do children who are small and all. Normally, it's not so much of a problem for children, younger children. This virus.
You can say in the data available with us,
Hmm.
very less affection in over the children. Actually, might be this BCG helps them.
Okay, and also even if they're infected, it's not so viral and not so strong. Is that true?
Yes. Because this might be the reason of the BCG. This might be.
Okay. And doctor, I wanted to know one thing. Now everybody talks about virus. They say no, the virus is not going to be effective because it's going to mutate. It's going to change. So then this vaccine is for this virus. And if it mutates, the vaccine won't be of. Is there how much of truth is there in this?
If you eat chicken or mutton or any non-veg, our enzyme will be same, sir.
Okay.
Our enzyme for digestion will be same. Doesn't matter you eat the fish or chicken or mutton.
Okay.
Like that, doesn't matter which form they have. I mean that virus. Antibodies once that our vaccine, I mean antigen creates the antibodies, they will fight with that any type of mutation or any type of a virus.
So ultimately, what you're trying to say is ultimately it is always better to get vaccinated. Ultimately, if not today, tomorrow, whether you have herd immunity or no.
Vaccination is a key point to resolve all these issues with this pandemic.
Mostly with confidence and economy and all, because the economy has taken a very bad beating, no, to regain the confidence.
It will take 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years.
Because
No?
here people are not even going to Goa for vacation.
There are, doctor, I don't know. There are too many people in Goa. We are scared because you see the amount of people that are coming to Goa for vacation. We are almost out of time. Thank you. very, very much.
And so why not you are taking the part in my clinical trial? Because BVIP taken the part already. Why
Okay.
you are not taking the part? It should be
Okay.
there.
Sure, doctor. I will take part. I will get in touch with you for sure. Yeah.
Tomorrow I
for
can
sure.
do your appointment.
Yeah. Okay, doctor.
Okay,
If you want.
Monday
Okay.
you can come. Most
I'll,
welcome, sir.
yeah. Okay, doctor. Okay. Yes, doctor. I will 100%. I'm telling you, I will come. If you want, I can come tomorrow also if you want. Thanks, doctor. I
Tomorrow
will
is
call you up.
Tuesday, sir. You can come Monday. Monday you can come. Most
Monday or
welcome.
Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah. Doctor. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much. Thank you. And keep watching Goa 365.